Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ultimate Info Hub. Sometimes in Windows Explorer some drives appear twice, as you can see here on this screen, that E and F, these drives are appearing twice, and this is something very irritating for users. In today's video we will see how to solve this issue. So basically you have to edit your you have to go to registry editor and you have to rename some folders to solve this issue, and I will guide you how to do this. So first of all, click on your Windows icon, then write run, and in run basically write regedit and then press OK. So it will enable you to go to registry editor. In your registry editor you have to follow these two steps, and go to these paths and rename a particular folder to get rid of this problem. For 32-bit video you can just go to this path and rename a folder. For 64-bit video you have to do both these steps. So first of all we do this for 32-bit Windows. So first of all click H key local machine. After this click software. So after this you need to click Microsoft. For this you can write M to search this, or you can just find it manually. After this go to Windows. Okay, so here we go to window. I can write W and this will help me to go to window. So here it is, Windows. After this go to current version. You can see here this is current version, and after that Explorer, you can write E and it will help you to reach Explorer quickly. After this go to desktop, then namespace. So basically click desktop and go to namespace, expand this, and you can see delegate folder here. Expand this folder and basically rename this. So you can just put a dot and then old, and then basically close this registry editor, and it will solve this issue for Windows 32-bit Windows. But if your Windows is 64-bit, then it will not solve this issue. Then you have to do second step as well. So now I will show you how to do second step. This is the second step because my window is 64-bit, so I have to do this as well. If your window is 64-bit, then go to the second path as well and rename the last folder in delegate folders by adding .old at the end of that folder, and the issue will be solved for you. So now I skip all unnecessary detail and rename this last folder by going to the second path, and then I show you my Explorer, and here you can see that this issue is solved. Thank you so much for watching my video.